Good evening, this is David Ross, City Engineer. We're out at the Westbrook Flood Mitigation Project. Ross, tell us what's going on.
Well, actually, we're here to talk to the neighbors and make them informed of what the city's planning in the near future and in the long-range future. One is a flood control project that will protect the remaining properties along Edgeshell, and the second is a long-range transportation project to improve State Boulevard from Cass Street east to Spy Run.
Okay, so what do we have here? Actually, I'm going to pan over here. We're taking a look at this area. What's going on?
Actually, the area we're looking at here is where former houses used to be that had chronic flooding. Every time the Spy Run Creek raised from its banks, it flooded or threatened to flood the structures in those vacant lots.
So, and what happened to those houses?
Well, after we fought floods for so many years and got tired of building dikes every time the waters rose up, we put a voluntary buyout program to offer them fair market value if they would sell us their property and move out of harm's way.
Okay, and so what's going to go in this green space?
This green space is first going to be a levee system to protect the houses along Edgeshell, and then the remaining portion of the project, or property, we're going to dish it out, make it into a bowl shape, and plant rain gardens into the area. A new concept on filtering and detaining surface water before entering to our storm sewer system or, say, the Spy Run Creek.
So we're preserving this as green space?
That's correct.
And then what was the other project that was discussed this evening?
That would be the State Boulevard project, where we're looking at improving State Boulevard by reconstruction and possibly widening or providing safe facilities between Cass to State to help move it more efficiently and safely through the neighborhood.
Okay, do we have any official plans on that, or where do we stand?
All we are right now is we've got a conceptual plan that was developed by internally with the staff to use as an illustration and to generate discussion on the future project.
Okay, so what's next with that?
The next phase is once we hire a consulting firm, we will start putting together data on what's existing out here, historic, environmentally, other facilities of the land use, and then we'll come up with some more conceptual plans that we'll then present to the neighborhood in an informal meeting.
And we'll also have public hearings?
There's one mandatory public hearing, but we want to provide more informal meetings so that it can be an informal setting and we can openly talk about the improvements.
Okay. Anything else about tonight?
I think it went marvelously. The neighbors showed that they were very passionate about their neighborhood. They came up with a lot of good ideas, ones that we'll take back with us, but more importantly is they've promised to join us in our future meetings to give input.
Well, thank you very much.